question is, if A is equal to this matrix, then for what value of X is an identity matrix? So I hope you know what is identity matrix. If you don't know, click on the I button. You will have the video that is types of the matrices. So right now, this is identity matrix. Identity means this the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, right? So we have to convert it to the identity matrix. Now the question is, what we can put the value of X in the matrix A so that it will convert to a identity matrix. So this is cos X, and we need 1 here according to the identity matrix. So as all of us know that when we put X is equal to 0, so cos 0, that is 1, right? Similarly, we need 0 here and sin 0 is 0. So with this we can say that we can put X is equal to 0. So when we put the values here, that is X is 0, similarly sin 0, and here again sin 0, and this is cos 0, and this one. So it will convert to cos 0, that is 1, sin 0, that is 0. Again there is sin 0, this is 0, cos 0, that is 1, right? So now this is identity matrix. It means the answer is X is equal to 0. So let's move to the next question, that is, if this matrix is equal to, again one more matrix, then we need to find out the values of X, Y, Z, W. Also find X plus Y. Alright. So now two questions are there. That is, first we need to find out these values, and after that we can find very easily, just add X and Y. Now these are equal matrices, means both the orders are same and each and every entry, that is first entry, is equal to the first entry, right? You know how when the two matrices are equal, right? So this is, from this you can see that in the green color, now this is Z is equal to 4, right? So directly we can find the value of Z from here. Similarly, W in the pink color, that is W is equal to 5. So directly we are having the value of Z and W. So the next we need to find X and Y. This is X minus Y, and that is equal to minus 1. So I have written here. Similarly, 2x minus y is equal to 0, the second equation. Now we know that by solving simultaneously, we can find the values of X and Y from here. Now this is minus y, this is minus y, both with the same sign. Now we are using elimination method here. So when I am doing the first equation minus second equation, this will be first equation minus second equation. So left hand side will be minus y plus y will be cancelled. So x minus 2x will be minus x, and there is minus 1. So by multiplying both sides with minus 1, this will be 1. So now we are having the value of X is equal to 1. Now just put the value of X in any equation. I am putting the value of X in the first equation to find Y. Now first equation was X minus Y is equal to minus Y. So I am putting the value of X here, that is 1. So from this equation, this will be minus Y, and when 1 goes to that side, that will be minus 1. So minus y is equal to minus 2. So from there we can find the value of y, that is y is equal to 2. So our next question was find x plus y. Now we got the values of x and y. So now I will put the values here, that is x, that was 1, plus 2, and that is equal to 1 plus 2, and that is equal to 3. Alright, so the next question is, if 3a minus b is equal to this matrix and b is equal to this matrix, then find the matrix A. Now two matrices are given to you. Now this first is 3a minus b is equal to this, and we can write this matrix as this one minus b, when goes to right hand side, this will be plus b, right? Now I'm putting the value of b from here, that is, I'm putting the value of b plus, now b matrix is given to you, that is this one. Now I'm putting the matrix here. Now what you need to do, now the next step is add these two matrices, right? Now this will be 5 plus 4, that is 9, 0 plus 3, that is 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3, and 1 plus 5, that is 6. Alright. Now we need to find out matrix A, but this is 3A. So dividing both sides with 3. So when I divide both sides with 3, this 3 by 3 cancelled, and there I am having 1 by 3. Now this is the scalar multiplication. After doing the scalar multiplication, you know that how to do the scalar multiplication here. I am removing 1 by 3 from here and multiply it inside with each and every entry. So 9 by 3 is 3 and 3 by 3 is 1. Again 3 by 3 is 1 and 6 by 3 is 2. Now this is our required answer, that is the A matrix. So I hope it is clear to you. The next question, same as this one, so you can do it by yourself. Find x and y if 2 into this matrix plus this matrix is equal to again one more matrix. So you can very easily find x and y from here. Next question is cos into this matrix plus sine into this matrix. Alright, you need to find out the value of this. So this is the scalar multiplication. I am doing the scalar multiplication here, that is cos into cos x, that is cos square x, and next is cos into sin x, that is cos x into sin x, right? The next is cos into minus sin x, that is minus cos x to sin x. Similarly cos into cos x, and here we are having cos square x. Similarly to the next matrix, this is sin into sin x, and the entry is sin square x, and sin into minus cos x, this will be minus sin x into cos x, and here this will be sin x cos x, and here this is sin square x, right? Now add these two matrices, so this will be cos square x, this is, one second, cos square x plus sin square x, and next entry will be cos x sin x minus sin x cos x, right? Similarly add these matrices, this is cos x sin x plus sin x cos x, and the last is cos square x plus sin square x. So I can write this one as it is. So one second, this will be cos square x plus sin square x. Alright, now all of you know that this is an identity, that is cos square x plus sin square x, so that is equal to 1. So I'm just putting the value here, that will be 1, and this one again as 1. Now what is this? Cos x minus cos x sin x minus sin x, both are same with opposite sign, so it will be cancelled, right? So here we can write it as 0. So the answer is identity matrix. So I hope these questions are clear to you. I will solve some more questions of the previous year question, and for this subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications. So I will do some more questions based on matrices. All right, thank you so much.